in this video we're going to review the brass, take a look at the brass and see if there were any problems or signs of problems in firing a gun. And there are a few things I've run across I didn't like. And we'll go over it. Now these cartridges have a paper patch bullet. And if you look in there, I don't know if you can see it or not, these cases all have remnants of the paper patch still attached in there even after they went through the tumbler, which I don't know if that creates a problem or what, but inside there in the neck there's pieces of the paper patch there. Now some of these are tarnished heavy, I think they came that way. Some of the brass, like the one group I got, the brass is real nice, shiny, it's not tarnished. I didn't really pull them all out to look at them. But a group of this I got, looked strange. The bullets didn't look the same. They looked like they were manhandled and knocked around. Now some of this stuff come out perfect, clean, no problems. And, if I could reload Barrett primers, it'd probably be usable again. Now I had several that cracked. This one here's got a split in it there. This one here has a nasty split in it, which just could be the age of the brass or something. Or in one gun I had the bad chamber and it just couldn't have taken it. And here's where the rust was in there, the first one or two I shot. It it's hard to extract. You could see where I had to take the scale out to get rid of that. But basically most of these shot, no signs of high pressure, a few splits. But see, then we get into some in the back here. That primer has a little ring around it. That's kind of a high pressure sign, which I don't know if it was just buildup in the guns. I do know one of the last two I shot, which this one here, that's a real good sign of high pressure. It even pushed the indentation back out and almost made the primer start to come out. That was a sign of high pressure. It was one of the last two shots I made. But I looked at the other case and the other case didn't show this. So I didn't have a chronograph or anything hooked up. Here's another one where the primer kind of backed out. So I don't know if there was an increase in velocity, pressure, or just that one wasn't too bad. It ringed the primer, but not too bad. It actually pushed the primer indentation out. So we had some signs of high pressure. And another one with a little ring on there. So that's not a good thing. You don't really want that. I don't know if it has something to do with the age of the ammo or the guns. The bores seem good. I don't know if just the black powder was building up and creating pressure problems, or if something with the bullets or the paper patches or the lubricant or something got wedged in there. I don't know. So basically what we're going to do is invest in dyes and make my own ammo with new brass, and we're going to try black powder and maybe, I don't know about smokeless in them straight pulls. All you got's that little metal block holding that bolt in there, so we might keep these strictly with black powder on these rifles. But that's another project, but that's kind of a review, and that's why I put that safety insert into my one video. Is I mean, it worked, it went off, but it kind of showed signs of, you're getting on the border of something being unsafe here. There were some signs of high pressure in it, so I have to look into it, investigate it, and like I said, I kind of don't recommend doing it. I mean, you can if, it's your choice, but you start getting questionable grounds of safety here with this. Okay.